almost went over again, Barbie.
You guys think it's safe?
5 more minutes.
Okay, do your tricks.
You want to do tricks and I can record it for 5 minutes, or do you want me on it?
Either way,
What do you want?
whatever you want.
It's up to you.
Oh my gosh.
Keep going, babe. Don't squirt fast. You might want to go on it. He looks like a pro now.
Yeah.
You're not impressed?
No, it's really something to hold.
Since you're a pro, baby, you want to take me on it? Did you hear me?
Oh, what?
Since you're a pro, do you want to take me for a spin?
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
How's he gonna get on without you there holding it?
Do you need me to jump in, baby? I'm gonna pee my pants.
Hey, where's the rubber band thing?